Hey there, it's Apostle Dwann here in Jacksonville. One thing I know about apostolic prophets is you are going to build. As a matter of fact, you're going to build so well that people are going to start calling you apostle, and you're not quite sure if you're manifesting as an apostle or as an apostolic prophet, but you know that God has really called you to build and do much more than that. If that is you, I want you to register today for one of my summer sessions. I have the Apostolic Prophet Mentoring Session that is 90 days with 90 days with me. That's 3 months. And then also we have our summer session for apostolic prophets where we're going to really do that for 8 weeks. We're going to talk about the apostolic mantle distinctive, the fine line between the apostolic prophet and the apostle, prophetic protocol, the chief prophet, aka the leader of the prophetic team, building a prophetic team, the prophet apostle union, and so much more. Go to theapostolicprophet.com. Pick which one you want to find out about and register today. God bless you.